I could use endless scenarios. For example, Cube Flight Search Database, Cube Land Registry Database, etc. But I believe you understand this concept now. Okay, now I'm going to introduce a powerful new feature of this invention. It is Cube Surface Editing. Maybe I start from a small tablet based on the XY axis. You can see 10 names. Now I'm going to start edit mode. I have to press the edit button. Please notice that next to name 1, a red border appeared. Okay, I'll switch the edit button off now. As I expected, the border is no longer red. Well, let's assume I want to correct job hours for name 8. I see there is all 8-hour shifts on indirect jobs, but that's not right. I need to split the shifts between direct and indirect hours. It seems that name 8 completed 2 hours in direct jobs. Okay, now I'll set edit mode on again. Again, I see the red border next to name 1. Next, I'm going to do all the changes. It is done. I shift tablet data up to name 5. You can see changes are updated in the database, but the red cursor stays in one position. I noticed that I forgot to set performance for name 8 because of 2 direct hours. I move the cursor to the appropriate location and type 97. Again, please have a look at the performance field. Now, I'll shift names range to name 8. Of course, values on names wall and 1st of May are the same. Okay, now I change the tablet to cube. I want to see 1 week. I change the size of Z-axis to 11 and matrix Z to 7. Now please notice that I can shift the cube data, but the cursor is again seen in one location. I will shift the cube to name 10 now. I see my edit field is on the performance category for name 13. Okay, I have got the data for name 10 to name 19, but realized name 10 was not at work on the 1st of May. I need to delete all data for this employee. I will start from the shift category. Okay, now the data for employee 10 is deleted. Also, all summary row values are updated. I want to do some more editing. First, I shift employees range to name 12. I see the values for the 2nd of May now. I want to update some wrong values now. There are 11 orders and 1,285 cases. I need to change the number of orders to 10 and cut the number of cases to 1,185. Okay, I'm going to change it now. Again, I emphasize all changes are updated in the database system. If I set 3D drilling calculations, I can see the correct new values. Okay, I'll go back to standard mode and switch edit mode off. I move the cube employees range to name 1 now. However, one more thing needs to be done. I have to edit my data again. When I shift the employees range to name 3, the bottom entry shows name 12. I changed the number of orders and cases correctly, but those new values affected performance. Let me shift the category range to unit. YZ axis wall shows 1,185 cases, which is correct. Now I shift category data right again. I see the performance value 104, but it should be 102. Okay, I'm going to change it now. New performance value is updated and the summary row shows it as well. Now I'll change the date to the 2nd of May. Name 12 performance value is the same on the edge field. My job is done and I switch edit mode off. I shift the categories maximum left to see all cube data. I want to see name 12 on the top dates wall. Well, everything is okay, so I'm finished now.